We were on our way to an event in Atlanta, and we stopped off at Waffle House, and they said you should try grits. And I thought those were the most disgusting things because nobody told me that I was supposed to add salt and pepper to them. So obviously, my life was ruined after that. But then I went to South Carolina years later after becoming a chef, and we went to some restaurant there on the waterfront down in Charleston, and that was the most amazing dish I ever had. Shrimp and grits became my thing. What was that?
The man, the myth, the legend. I've known you for a long time.
It's been a minute. It's been a minute. So, it's good to come back. When I started with the show many years ago, and to see how, as per conversations we've been having, how the show has developed, how the brand has developed. So it's awesome to come back. It feels like full circle again, which is awesome. What I'm doing today is a sweet potato grit, and we're going to do that with some chicken, some sausage, and I may throw some shrimp in there. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. All right. So, garlic powder, onion powder. All right. I'm making my own Creole seasoning, if you would, right now. So, a little black pepper. What's in the pink one? I'm going to tell you right now. Cumin. So I got a little cumin. We're gonna add a little salt. Come over here, baby. I love you, baby. We're gonna add, a little salt. Then I add some parsley. We're gonna add a little more. All right. Paprika, because need some color, need some smokiness. We're gonna add some coriander, because I can. Right? Good. And we need a little heat. So, a little cayenne, or a lot of cayenne, I don't know. Yeah, right? Jeez, come on now, fun. All right, good. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna mix this up. Technology is just driving a lot of, the creativity in the designs, not just in the appliances, but the kitchen as well. So for me, I think efficiency of use, right? How well is it overly complicated? Meat season, boom. And what I'm gonna do actually is start that. So we're gonna add some heat, some oil on this heat, and we're gonna add the chicken. Okay. Need more heat. See how everything has gotten so advanced, right? This technology wasn't around. The induction was. But now that you have all these fancy gadgets now, right? Where you have a stove that allows you to move your pans pretty much anywhere on the surface and you can cook. Right? So you don't have to big pot over here, a little pot over here, one over here. So this looks like it can hold one. You can probably put home here, another one right here, right? And then you can just move around, which is kind of cool. For me, I'm doing this, and I can just move this around like we're playing shuffleboard, right? Yeah, I like this. This is cool. All right, we get some heat going on that. I'm gonna add the chicken. Yeah. Come on, baby. Talk to me. Yeah. All right. Yeah, we want maximum heat on this. Because you guys look hungry. You guys look like you didn't eat any breakfast this morning. And if you knew I was coming, y'all didn't bring me no coffee, no nothing. Man, hazelnut black, with a little sugar, that would work. I don't want to overcrowd this pan. All right, good. So our water liquid is going right now. So this is sweet potato that I blanched in the water and then pureed, right? So this is just one sweet potato to give it one color, two flavor of the sweet potato. All right, grits. These are Dandy's, Jim Dandy's grits, right? Yes. All right, chicken is going. And so the grits. Typically, you want to do 3 to 1. So that means 1 part grit, 3 parts liquid. 1 part grit, 3 part liquid. So in here, I had about 2 cups liquid of the sweet potato water, liquid broth. All right, so what I'm gonna do is add some half and half to that to bring it up some. We're gonna save some. All right. Mr. Grits, bring him back up. I want it to come back up to a boil. Is this heavy cream or not? No. This is coconut milk, right? So that's gonna help me finish my sauce and give me a little Caribbean, flair. Yeah, all right. All right, put him over here. I want it to come up to a boil a little bit.
So the guy that did this setup, he was telling me about this countertop right here, and he was telling me the strength, of the countertop, and just some of the things about this countertop. It doesn't stain. It stands up to heat. Now that's important.
Right. Absolutely.
A lot of times we're cooking on the surface, and you move a pot, and you want to put it on the counter. Maybe the counter is not designed for that.
Right.
But this one, it is. Stains. Stains are a huge thing.
Right.
So those are things that people need to pay attention to. Stains, if you're doing curries and sauces and stuff like that, if they're not, glazed or what have you, to prevent that, you're gonna have issues.
Right.
You're gonna be cleaning or replacing and stuff like that. So those are things you need to be aware of.
So now we're gonna add our trinity. So we got some onions, and I knew I was gonna leave it when I was at home. So we got some onions. We got some peppers. Okay, now I gotta go dip deep for some green peppers. Right? Yeah, come on in there. Yeah. All right, that works. And we're gonna add some celery. All right, we're gonna season. So think of this as all the construction that you see going on inside the convention area, right? Everything starts from the ground up. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna season our onions and our peppers and our celery. We're gonna, the same thing that I add to the chicken, we're gonna add a little bit of that. Onion powder, garlic powder, right? I'm gonna add some cumin, pepper, and lovely. There you go, some paprika. And how about you? Yeah, we need you because I didn't bring any fresh garlic, so I need him. And of course, did I put cayenne pepper in there? No, I'm gonna put a little bit of that. And we're gonna put another pan on here. All right, now that my grits is starting to come to a boil, so as soon as that comes up to temp, so we're gonna start adding our grits, all right? So it came to a boil, so we wanna start pouring this into a little stream. You don't wanna just dump the whole thing in, because that would be disastrous, right? Just a nice slow stream, and you keep stirring. I may not even use all of this in here, but you're gonna keep stirring. Yes, you're gonna splash. I know you're gonna splash. So the grits, here's your trick now. Even though these are quick grits, let's say it's supposed to be done in 5 minutes, 6 minutes, whatever the heck they say. So when you want nice smooth grits, before you even add any more cream or anything like that, butter, you want to stir this grits, right? Even if it's cooked grits, you want to stir it at least 10, 15 minutes, give or take, right? But I'm going to add, just to help myself, right? But you want to stir it, and because I didn't bring a wooden spoon, I have to use my whisk. All right, good. Sausage in, we're gonna cook them up. The chicken is done. All right. Now here's the thing about grits. By themselves, they are relatively bland, but they can take on any flavor that you want to impart to it. Sweet potato, pumpkin, if you want to go that route. If you want to leave them just like that, you know, your butter, you can add, look here, we got some chimichurri, right? You can add curry, you can add jerk to it. It takes on any flavor that you want on there, right? All right, good. Sausage. And you know, just for some good measure. Oh yeah. All right, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna add our chicken back into here. We're gonna add our peppers and stuff back into here. All right, so we're just gonna let this do what it needs to do. We're gonna add some tomato paste, because we need some more flavor, right? All right, so which one? What'd you call it? All right, so I heard Scotch bonnet and I heard habanero. This is habanero. So the way you tell the difference between a habanero and a Scotch bonnet, so if you look at this pepper, it's nice and smooth, right? The lines of it, nice and smooth. Scotch bonnets, they are a little bit rugged, more rugged on the edge, more bumps, right? They're not necessarily as long sometimes, but they're very rugged. They're not as smooth as a habanero. And most of the times, you're going to find a habanero in this color or red, like that deep red. Scotch bonnets, yellow, green, reddish green, red, orange. We're gonna add some more of this, so I'm gonna turn this down. So I need to season this now. So, yep, a little salt. What else am I gonna go? A little garlic. Yep. And we're gonna put a little onion powder. We're making some grits, darling, some sweet potato grits. Yep. There you go. Black pepper, why not? Because you said so. There you go. Not too much. Now here's the thing about cooking now, right? So we're gonna add some more flavors to this chicken and the sausage. We're gonna add a little chimichurri flavor to it. All right? So green seasoning if you would, right? Because we wanna spruce it up some more. Awesome. And because I can, we're gonna add a little coconut milk. Now, as soon as that my man comes back with the, woo, oh yeah. Now I'm gonna taste this. Oh yeah, creaminess. That's what I want, creamy texture on the grits. What I'm looking for now is, we're gonna taste it.
If you're someone that doesn't cook a lot, I wouldn't say, spend all this money trying to get the most fanciest and technologically advanced equipment. Right. Get something that's, efficient, for your needs, right? And I think getting equipment for your needs, right, should be the most important thing. Important things to have, right, in a kitchen. Good cutlery, good knives, yep, right, strong knives, durable knives.
Right.
Not $20 knives that you're gonna throw away. And for Christ's sakes, if you're spending some good money on knives, please do not wash them in the dishwasher.
Right.
Hand wash them, put them down in the, so you can have knives that's gonna last you for a very long time.
And of course, we want to add some more flavor. Where's my knife? All right. Habanero. Ooh, that's nice and sharp. Ooh, I like that. Yeah. Brand new. Habanero gone into the sauce. We're gonna turn this up. Now we're gonna stir this a little bit. Oh, here goes my water. Didn't even see that. All right. Oh yeah. 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 That works. So I'm just gonna let this reduce just a little bit, and I'm gonna add some butter to that, and we'll be done. All right, so we're just gonna stir this. All right, so, oh yeah. All right. Now we're gonna add our shrimp. So I've seen people out here on Instagram and, cook your shrimp for 10, 20 minutes. I'm like, what? No. No. We just want to make sure that the shrimp gets cooked through. That's why you add them towards the end of the cooking process, right? Even when you're making like jambalaya, etouffee, right? Any kind of shrimp with a stew component to it. Yes. So there we go, boom. Now we're gonna add our butter to both. Oh yeah. Nice. Say creamy. Yes, we want nice creamy grits. And to add a little more flavor. Yes, butter. Everything tastes better with butter. Butter. More butter. Now we're gonna add some green onions. And as they say, call it a day. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. All right. All right, we're gonna taste that. Let me see what that tastes like. Come on, let me see what that. Show what that. Where you at? Right there, sir? Show me what you're working with. What? Ooh. Oh, I like that. Ooh, now we're making a mess now. All right. We're going to serve out some of this, some samples, I think. So you can take, don't tease you. Tease me till I lose control. Tease me in the morning till I lose control. All right, let me see. Yeah, so I need somebody to come help me do this. So you guys can have something to munch on or to taste, to sample. Because I hate for you to have, stood there all this time and not get a sample. And let me know what you think. She said it's good. Let me know what you think. Hey. Kudos to you guys for continuing the brand and for allowing people to come out and exposing them and the people who are with the products, having people come together to see about what they can do for future, things that they can do as they're renovating, right? And make their homes the best that it can be.
What we say here at the Home Show is this is where your house becomes a home. Yeah, there you go.